This is Amit Hassan, and welcome back to my channel. So, in my last videos, I talked a lot about LinkedIn. So, I decided that what if I talk about something about LinkedIn in my YouTube channel. So, I'm making this video to tell you about the benefits of LinkedIn and how you can organize your LinkedIn profile so that you can notice by recruiters or professors. So I also like to mention about my story that I got good responses from professors in LinkedIn. Uh, Usually, many professors uh, share their recruiting posts in LinkedIn, and LinkedIn is a very what can I say? LinkedIn is a very good way to showcase your skills and communication skills and etc. So let's start the video. So in this video, I'm going to show you my LinkedIn profile, how I organized it, and how you can organize it accordingly. There's a short disclaimer that my LinkedIn profile is not that perfect, but I try to sort things in a proper way that everyone, what can I say, everyone notice it. So let's start the video. So this is my LinkedIn profile. My name is Kazi Amit Hassan, and you can see a pretty decent profile picture, I would say, but it's recommended that you should apply you should use a good formal profile picture. And there's a cover photo section that's just like Facebook. Here you can like use some cover photos of something formal approach. Like I am a data scientist by profession, so I used this, and I'm a huge data camp lover, so I use it to follow a lot of data camp resources. So I used it. Also, here's a short headline that I'm a incoming Queen's student. I'm a machine learning engineer at ACL Limited. I have 3.5 years of experience of machine learning. Also, I'm a Kaggle expert. So these are some headlines of my profile. I kept them crisp and short. Crisp and short. I would not say that is short, but that are to the point, so that any recruiter who visits my profile can see that I am this. So that makes sense. Also, this is my current company, and this is my past university, which is RUET. So I also talk about a lot of research, data science, data analytics, etc. And this is my personal website. I have a good number of followers and connections. Also, there's some private things. These are my past post and activity. Okay, so let's start from here. This is the bio. I kept it in a very descriptive way, that my name, where I'm working, where I have graduated from, my career summary. I'm a machine learning engineer. I'm creator of an open source project. I'm a researcher. What type of experiences I have, my Kaggle journey, the different machine learning competition, etc. I tried to mention it in a very solid way. My comfortable programming languages, my database management skills, my machine learning tools, etc. Also, in this experience section, I have added my experiences. As you can see that if I click on the see more, I have mentioned about my key responsibilities, my projects, my other skills, etc. So you can I saw most of the profile that they are just mentioning their workplace and their role, but try to mention some responsibilities, what things you do in that company in your LinkedIn profile. That will give recruiters a good view, or professors a good view about you. Also, like the same way, I have also mentioned my Kaggle things, my past, what can I say, my past research things. I'm sorry. This is my educational journey. My thesis. This is my thesis work. My what was my grade, etc. This is my college. This is my school, and there are some certifications that I have also added in here. As you can see that I have done pretty good amount of certifications during COVID time, which helped me a lot to crack my job, to crack my other things. I have also a good amount of volunteering experience. I have also mentioned everything in my LinkedIn profile. Also, I have I have few skills in respect to machine learning. As you can see, I have passed the machine learning league assessment. These assessments are pretty good actually, because uh, these are like a very time constraint assessment where you need to answer a few questions in a limited time. So those are really helpful, and recruiters can search by those skills. So that's a good thing. And also there are some recommendations section where I received recommendations from my ex-colleagues and classmates. So you can showcase them in your LinkedIn profile. And now comes the publication section. I have few publications, and I have also like added the abstract and my co-authors in this. So if you have any sort of publications, please do add them in your LinkedIn profile. Also, I have some open source projects. So this is the data inspector that I made and published in the open source Python platform. These are the solutions of my attempted machine learning competitions. I have created a different GitHub repository for it. Also, I have received some awards during my undergrad, so I have mentioned about them, some details, some what are paid role contribution, etc. These are the languages, the organizations. Oh, well, that's all about my LinkedIn profile. I will put my LinkedIn profile link in the description box, so you can easily see my LinkedIn profile. Also, uh, I would advise everyone to post regularly on LinkedIn, just like any other social media, but post something formal, very informative, because this is a formal place where you can find recruiters from different companies, professors from different universities, and this is a great platform to reach big professors. So use LinkedIn wisely and keep your profile solid and descriptive. So that's all for today. If you have any sort of questions, then please let me know. And I hope many of students will be benefited by watching this video. Thanks for watching.